Okay, Jude, welcome back. So again, this part is the first grammar focus of Unit 11. How to use like and would like. Like and would like. So please give me your full attention how to use them in different contexts or settings. We use like to talk about things we enjoy, love, to talk about. Things you enjoy a lot. For example, my little brother likes science fiction films. I love coffee. As you see, okay, so use like or love to show your interests, what something you enjoy doing. If we put another verb after like, we use ing. So after ing, after like, you must write verb plus ing. I like staying in bed late. So I like staying. Why ing here? Because it's a verb. But if it is noun like science, like coffee, no need to write ing. Okay, Jude?
Okay.
He doesn't like lying on the couch or on the beach. Here, lie verb, so ing. Some verbs we can use with ing are like enjoy. Also, enjoy, love, hate. The four verbs must be followed by ing, as we call it gerund. For example, I enjoy running on the beach for work or before work. Okay? What about would like? What about would like, Jude? We use would like to talk about things we want. I would like is more polite than I want. For example, I would like some water, please. The same means I want some water, please. But why you say I would like? To be more polite, to be more formal. For example, I'd like a new tennis racket for my birthday. I'd like means what I want. If we put the verb after would like, we use infinitive to. Would like to. For example, I'd like to speak to the manager, please. I would like to speak to the manager, please. Okay, Jude?
Okay.
Also, we often use would like for an offer. For example, would you like some coffee? When you welcome a guest in your house, number one, you should say, would you like some coffee? Would you like some water? In this way, you are offering. Would you like to get to the cinema? Notice the answer is yes, please. Or yes, I'd love some. Or yes, I'd love to, if you agree. For example, would you like some water? And you need say yes, please. Or I'd love some. Or I'd love to. Like, would you like to go to the cinema? إيه رأيك نروح السينما؟ الله, I'd love to. والله شيء يسعدني. طيب, if you say no, don't say yes, I'd like, or yes, I'd love. No. Say yes, please, or yes, I'd love to. I'd love some. I would love to. Don't say yes, I'd like, or yes, I'd love. Okay, Jude, so far so good?
Yes.
طيب, can you please complete practice one?
Okay.
Complete sentence with the correct form of the verbs. Use
I hate going.
or infinitive with to.
I hate going to the dentist.
Yes, that's right. I hate going. Yes, next.
I like cooking dinner for my friends at weekends.
I like cooking. Yes.
I'd love to get tickets for the.
To get. Yes. Enjoy.
I enjoy walking to work in the mornings.
I'd like.
I'd like to do.
Yes, to do. Good. I love travel by public transport. Traveling. Yes. ING. I hate talk. On my mobile phone.
Talking on my mobile phone.
Talking, yes. I like make new friends.
Making.
I like making. And please don't forget to drop E before adding ing. Yes, perfect. Right. Now choose the correct answer. My husband would like to or loves the cycling and the swimming.
My loves. No. Would
Yes,
like
yes,
to.
yes, yes. Loves, you are right. Why? Because ing, cycling. Number two.
I like a new car.
I'd like what?
Like.
But I don't think I'll buy one this year.
I
like a new car. Yes, because I'd like to. If you say I'd like, you must say to plus another verb. But I like a new car. Here noun. So I like a new car, but I don't think I'll buy it or buy one this year. Type 3.
He doesn't like getting up early.
Yes, that's right. They hate.
They hate going to the library.
Good. 5.
She'd like to speak to the president.
6.
They enjoy watching films with their friends.
7.
We would like to know. We like cakes, sweets, and chocolate.
We like or would like 2 cakes, sweets. We like. Yes, we like. Good. Next.
I don't like. Yes, I don't like doing the washing up.
I don't like doing. Yes.
They would like to go to.
Yeah. Buenos Aires next year. Type. Buenos Aires. Yeah.
I don't enjoy visiting museum and arts galleries.
Perfect. Well done. Type. Number 3, Yajul. Match the question or the offer to the right response. Do you like cheese?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Would you like some thing to drink?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Does she enjoy traveling by train?
No, she doesn't.
Perfect. Would you like an ice cream?
Yes, I'd love one.
Perfect. Does Jack like children?
Yes, he does.
Yes, perfect. Would you like to go to the cinema? Yes, I'd love to. Okay. So far, so good?
Yes.
Right. Now go to page maybe 95 to have further questions about would like and like. Okay. Something that always get a strong reaction. You either love them or hate them. Here are our top 10. What do you think? Do you love them or hate them? Okay.
Okay.
Yes, quickly. Question 1, tattoos, art or not? Poodles, sweet and pretty or just stupid, ugly? Opera, some people's idea of a perfect night out. other people's idea of a nightmare. Fish and chips, delicious, disgusting. Going to the hairdresser is a great opportunity to relax, something you try to avoid, and so on. You have 10 questions, Yajud. I hate or like. You should listen to uh, um, two friends talking about some of the things they from exercise too. Which things are they talking about? Which thing do they have the same opinion about? Right?
Right.
Okay, Jude. So let's listen to the two friends and choose, please, which topics or which item do they talking about? Do they talk about?
Unit 11, Recording 2.
Well, I think that going to the hairdressers is definitely something you either love or hate.
Do you?
Yes. I know that some people think it's really boring, but personally, I love going to the hairdressers. For me, it's just a perfect way to spend my time. I like sitting there with my magazine. What about you? Do you like going to the hairdressers?
No, I hate it. I only go when it's absolutely necessary.
Oh, well, that one seems to be a love it or hate it thing, doesn't it? Let's see. What else? Flying. I think that's definitely a love it or hate it thing. People usually have strong opinions about it, don't they? Do you like flying?
No, I don't. You know, one of my oldest friends lives in the United States, and I'd love to visit him one day. But the problem is, I'm really afraid of flying. I hate sitting in a small place for all that time. The whole thing is just awful. What about you?
I'm the same. I hate flying too. I'm just too scared. I'm sure it's fine, really, but I don't like it at all. We both hate flying then.
Yes. And something else I really hate is sunbathing. You know, when you're on holiday, just lying in the sun. It's so boring.
Oh, really? I love it. I think I enjoy sunbathing for two reasons. I like lying down because, well, it's relaxing, isn't it? And I love reading. So put the two together and it's perfect for me. I'd like to live somewhere hot and sunny so I could go to the beach and read books every day.
Okay, Jude. Which thing are they talking about?
About something that they like and dislike.
Yes, they talked about going to the hairdressers, flying, and sunbathing. Which one they both of them have the same opinion?
Flying.
Okay, now, yes, sorry, yes, you are right, flying. Both of them hate flying, right?
Yes.
And what about hairdressers?
The girl like going to hairdresser, but
Yeah,
the other one he dislike it.
yes, yes. So now listen to the sentence, underline the verb form ing or infinitive that you hear. So listen to exercise 5. Please underline ing or infinitive. Listen.
Unit 11, Recording 3. 1.
I love going to the hairdressers.
2.
I like sitting there with my magazine.
3. I'd love to visit him one day. 4. I hate sitting in a small place for all that time.
5.
I enjoy sunbathing for 2 reasons.
6.
I'd like to live somewhere hot and sunny.
Okay, Jude, clear?
Clear.
Okay, so now I think you should be ready to complete this practice. Can you please do it yourself? Number 1.
Number 1, would you like to live?
Would you like to live abroad? Yeah, one
No.
day. Mhm.
Do you like? No. Would you like to play?
No.
Would you like?
Yes, would you like to? Why? Because here offer. Would you like to? Right, next.
Would you like to learn
To
another
learn
language?
another language, yeah.
Do you like getting up early?
Yes, here do you like? Do you like getting up early? Good. Which city?
What city?
One
Do
day.
you must? Would you most like to visit one
Yes,
day?
this expressing your wish.
Mhm.
Okay, next.
Would you like? No. Do you like listening to music?
Yes, do you like? Good. Do you like or would you like?
Do you like?
Do you like listening? Exactly. Why ing? Yes, excellent.
Do you enjoy cooking? What's
Yeah.
yours?
8.
Which famous person would you most like to meet?
Yes, that's it. That's it. So let me ask you the same questions, Yazud, and please try them and you're giving true details about yourself. Would you like to live abroad one day? Here, for example, yes, I'd like to live in Hong Kong. What about you? I don't think I'd like to live abroad. I like being near my family. Here, what about you? Would you like to live abroad one day?
No, I don't think.
Why?
Also because I want to be near my family.
Exactly. Would you like to play a musical instrument? Which one? By the way, Jude, I'll give you the same questions for speaking, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Would you like to play a musical instrument? Which one?
Musical instrument? No, I don't.
No, I wouldn't. No, I wouldn't. You can say I can't play any musical instruments. Type, would you like to learn another language apart from English?
Yes.
Which one?
Yes, I would.
Right. Which city would you like to visit one day?
What city? Maybe I'd like to visit London.
London, okay. Next. Do you like listening to music?
Yes,
What
I
kind?
do. Yes, I do. I listen to
Classical
Arabic.
music, pop music,
Yes.
yeah. Type. Do you like cooking or do you enjoy cooking?
Yes,
What's your specialty?
Specialty?
And what you can do in a perfect way?
Okay. Cookies.
Cookies, right. Which famous person would you like to meet and why?
Someone famous? I don't think that there is someone I want to meet.
Okay, so now here put this conversation in the correct order, Yajud. Here, that's a good idea. What would you like to see? Would you like to meet up this weekend? This is number one. So try to arrange it. What next? Would you like to meet up this weekend? So this is number two. Yes, I'd love to. What about going to the cinema? So 1 and 2 finished. What about who can you complete?
Okay.
Yes, I'd love to. How about going to the cinema?
The cinema, to be honest, I don't really like science fiction films.
No.
Oh,
No.
there is that new
No.
science
That's a
fiction
good
film.
idea. What would you like to see? It should be 3.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello. Well, is there something else? No. Huh. Yes, I'd like to see the new Brad Pitt film. What do you think? So this is 4, right?
Right.
Next.
I think there is that new science fiction film on. What's about that? Number 4 or 5?
There is that new science fiction film on. What about that? Or yes, great. I'd like to see that too. Shall we go? No. Well, is there something else too? So this is 5. Is there something else you would like to see?
There is that new science fiction film on.
Yes, and there is. What about that? So this is 6.
To be honest, I don't really like science fiction films.
Next. Yes, great. I'd like to see that too. Shall we go on Saturday?
Yes, see you then. No, see you on Saturday. Bye.
Okay. Now let's listen. I feel that we are mistaken, Yashud. So let's listen and check, please.
Okay.
Listen.
Unit 11, Recording 4.
Would you like to meet up this weekend?
Yes, I'd love to. How about going to the cinema?
That's a good idea. What would you like to see?
There's that new science fiction film on. What about that?
To be honest, I don't really like science fiction films.
Well, is there something else you'd like to see?
Yes, I'd like to see the new Brad Pitt film. What do you think?
Yes, great. I'd like to see that too. Shall we go on Saturday night?
Yes. See you then.
See you on Saturday. Bye.
Okay? Again?
Okay.
Listen again. Again,
Unit
please.
11, Recording 4.
Would you like to meet up this weekend?
Yes, I'd love to. How about going to the cinema?
That's a good idea. What would you like to see?
There's that new science fiction film on. What about that?
To be honest, I don't really like science fiction films.
Well, is there something else you'd like to see?
Yes, I'd like to see the new Brad Pitt film. What do you think?
Yes, great. I'd like to see that too. Shall we go on Saturday night?
Yes. See you then.
See you on Saturday. Bye.
Okay, Jude?
Okay.
So is it clear now how to use like and would like?
Yes.
Okay, so now can we practice this dialogue together? I am A and you are B.
Okay.
Right? Would you like to meet up this weekend?
Yes, I'd love to. How about going to the cinema?
Okay, that's a good idea. What would you like to see?
Well, is there something else? No. There is that new science fiction film on. What's about that?
Yes. Well, to be honest, I don't really like science fiction films.
Well, is there something else you'd like to see?
Yes, I'd like to see the new Brad Pitt. What do you think?
Yes, see you then.
Yes, great. I'd like to see that too. Shall we go on Saturday night?
Oh, okay. Yes, see you then.
Yes, see you then. What should you say?
See you on Saturday. Bye.
Yes, see you on Saturday. Bye. Okay, Jude. So that's the end of our class today. Please, before we meet, try to finish Unit 9, 10 test and complete any late homework. Thanks a lot, Jude. Stay safe. Take care. Have a nice weekend. Thank you.